You know what? A lot of international fans really loved that gown. So parang before ko mabasa yung phone ko, after the competition, the preliminary competition, I was really, really happy because I know that I did my best, my 200%. And I just love that color. I just love the gown. Finil ko lang din talaga siya. And then, nung pagbasa ko ng phone ko, doon ako medyo nalungkot kasi a lot of Filipinos pala hindi sila natuwa doon. Pero I hope that we value everyone's effort. Kasi hindi lang yun na basta pinasuot lang eh. Parang ang dami ding nag-effort with that gown. Sana in everything na i-showcase natin, vina-value din natin, ina-appreciate din natin yung work ng bawat isa, the designer, the stylist, the team, the girl who wore it, 'di ba? So parang instead na mag-throw tayo ng negativity, but hindi na lang din positive. Pero
Mm.
thankful na lang din ako talaga sa team. Sila talaga yung tumutulong sa akin and my family na magkaroon ng proper mindset to be positive all the time.